Friday, October 13th, 4:33 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. U.S. stock market is closed. We just completed another week. A lot occurred the past few days. So we'll look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, one of the oldest U.S. stock indexes, with the 30 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Several of them had earnings today, and they did outstanding. The economy is still strong. Disconnect. I'll share you some wisdom. The company's performance of earnings, income, sales does not necessarily reflect labor. So if a company hires more people, lays more people off, that doesn't necessarily mean take that into account for the performance of the earnings. No, those are expenses. So focus more on the bottom line of the income and sales, not the labor size. Unfortunately, it's not positive for labor. But I'm saying that, I'm just letting you know there's a disconnect. Many people think it's all as one thing. Also, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Stock Index is very diversified. So the performance of it is not all equal of each company, from the manufacturer, the retail, the finance. Well, here we're looking at the one-year chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Each candle's a week. Here's the low for the year. Here's the high for the year. We're making higher lows. That's bullish. And we closed green for the week, made a higher high, higher low than the prior week. We're also in a slight consolidation here. This gray area here, this was a demand zone of buyers, came in, tested again, buyers stepped in again. So now we're looking at the 30 companies, alphabetical order, inside the index, and we'll compare them to see if they're performing better or worse. Because there's certain ones that are the opportunity to be buying, as well as trading bearish. So the first right here is Apple. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Yep. Look at that nice trend from the bottom of the year to the high of the year. It's performing better than the stock index. Next is Amgen. Alpha, Mike, Golf, November. Stock symbol, top left. It made a new high for the year. Outstanding. Better than the stock index. Outstanding. So now let's move this up because it's a new high for the year. Here we go. $288.46 versus the low of the year. Wonder how many media organizations are going to mention that it made a new high for the year. Or are they only going to focus on the negativity? Remember, Amgen. Next is American Express. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. There's a low for the year. There's a high for the year. Boeing, new low for the year. Let's open that up. Well, last week was the new low for the year. And then this week made a higher high, higher low. So we need to move that down. Right there. There you go, the low of the year. Big different industries from Boeing and Amgen. Got it? Go to the next. Caterpillar, inside candle for the week, right there. Yep. Means indecision. Charlie, Romeo, Mike, Salesforce, red candle with a higher high, higher low. Again, holding strong above that $200 range. Cisco, also inside candle for the week. Huge consolidation there. Building, resting period, building calls for the next breakout. Charlie, Victor, X-ray, Chevron, inside candle. Notice that several inside candles for the week. And these inside candles are the yellow ones, just mean they didn't take out the high or low. But notice they're in consolidations. So you had a consolidation here, breakout to the upside, consolidation, breakout to the upside. Disney, green for the week, higher high, higher low. There's a low. Last week made a new low for the year. this week made a dodgy candle. If you're a Patreon member, I just shared a trade idea for that before the market closed today. So you had the opportunity to take that trade idea before the close of today. If not, you could look to try again Monday. The link's below if you haven't joined yet. Dow Chemical, inside candle for the week. Goldman Sachs, also inside candle. Again, bottom of a trend, indecision, and potential reversal. Home Depot, inside candle for the week. Honeywell, red for the week. So we had last week made a new low for the year, and then we reversed. And down there, that low was a bullish pin bar, almost a hammer on the bottom of the trend. Very nice. Apparently, massive amount of buyers stepped in down here. They thought it was a reasonable price to buy. Time will tell if they're going to be right or not. IBM, red for the week, lower low, lower high. Broke below that swing point. Intel, green, higher high, higher low, to the bearish pin bar. Huge consolidation area there too. Right here. Johnson & Johnson, higher high, higher low, but closed back inside that prior body. Next. JP Morgan, green for the week, higher high, higher low, huge trading range. Look at that huge wick on the top, broke above 150 right there and rejected it. Again, still a big consolidation there. Coca-Cola, last week was a new low for the year, and this week inside candle. Again, buyers stepping in there, bottom fishing. McDonald's, there's a low for the year, inside candle for the week, indecision. 3M, new low for the year was last week, inside candle week for air. There we go. Merck, green for the week, higher high, higher low. Microsoft, green, higher high, higher low. Nike, green, higher high, higher low. Big reversal for this retail manufacturer. Procter & Gamble, inside candle for the week. So many inside candles for the week. Interesting. So it's just a few. We saw made new lows for the year, a few for the new highs for the year, but majority of them are waiting to this inside candle building consolidation resting period for the next breakout. Travelers, green, nice consolidation is forming down here. United Health, new high for the year. Again, it had earnings today, but a huge move up strong. Past several weeks, look at that. Big reversal up strong. Buyers were stepping in pre-earnings. And even today, more momentum to the upside. Nice. Another new high for the year. Visa, green for the week, higher high, higher low. Verizon, last week was a new low for the year. And this week, inside candle. Whiskey Bravo Alpha. A few weeks ago was a new low for the year. Let's move that down. So the ones that made lows the past prior week or prior few weeks have all reversed. Turn around. Buyers, bottom fishing. And Walmart, Whiskey Mike Tango, inside candle for the week. And that's what's occurring. We have so many stocks here doing this kind of pattern, inside candle for the week. Let's include Looking at the broad stock index, because the Dow is just one of many indexes. This is the S&P 500, green for the week, higher high, higher low, reversed. NASDAQ 100, also green, higher high, higher low. And the Dow, green, higher high, higher low. So the three major indexes, much closer to the highs of the year than the lows of the year. Nice. Going to the Dow transports, again, it made a higher high, higher low. It's in a consolidation phase here. Dow utilities, green, higher high, higher low. And the Russell 2000 made a higher high, higher low, but closed red. So across the board, all these stock indexes on the weekly time frame this past week all made higher highs than the prior week. Buyers have been stepping in. Some have been bottom fishing, some making new highs. And we're coming into the middle of the month. More earnings are on the way.